Today we're going to be discussing about good gene female choice, presented to you by Amanpreet Multani and Monish Mehta. In many animal species, females do not mate at random, but carefully choose among the available males and often prefer to mate with the most conspicuous ones. This is where good gene female choice comes in. Good gene female choice is one of the four models of the female mate choice. Female choose a male mate that carries the good genes. In other words, females are attracted to males that give them the best chance of creating most successful offsprings. Good gene female choice is all about what's best for their offspring. It is a choice that leads to offspring of superior viability.
Good genes code for a favorable trait. An example of a good gene would be tail feather length. Some female birds would prefer males with longer tail feathers. Another example is body coloration, which will be explained in the future slide. An example of a good gene would be demonstrated in this population of sticklebacks. The initial hypothesis was that red-colored stickleback males would be preferred in this population. Graph B proves that red-colored sticklebacks are more favored because they are deemed to be much healthier. A second study was done that proved that duller-colored males would also flourish in the population, which is shown in Graph C. In Graph D, the red-colored sticklebacks were filtered out in the population. Females could choose their own mates as well. In this study, females did not choose the brighter colored males and stuck to the more duller colored males. Now, what if natural selection created a dishonest trait? Natural selection could favor a trait that mimics the good gene. This was taken into consideration by Hamilton and Zook in 1982. They concluded that females did in fact prefer brighter colored males because they were more pesticide resistant, which would ultimately benefit their offspring in the future. Drabber colored males typically carried a disease like endoparasite infection. Now, coloration is costly, which is why this can't be considered a dishonest signal. And this concludes the topic of good genes and female choice. Thank you.